This is it. This yaki texture is so good. It looks very natural to me. Like, this texture is amazing. Nadula's getting better and better with this yaki texture, so I love it. It looks, like I said, it looks very natural, still very flowy and bouncy. Okay, y'all, so we have on the unit, this is a 7x5 yaki bob. I want to say this is like 12 inches. This is the lace. Okay, so I am going to cut it and style it. This unit does come with a drawstring, the combs, everything that you'll need. You guys know how the drawstring works. And I'm just taking a wax stick. Hopefully this is parted down the middle, because I struggle with that a little bit.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just so deep.
Alright, y'all, so here is the bob. I know how much you guys love the bob. I'm gonna get Tony to touch up the back, because I actually want this part to go up a little bit more in the back, and it's kind of hard for me to do it because his clippers need to be tightened, and I don't know how to do that. So I know a lot of you guys are going to be asking questions about this unit, so if you're interested, I'll have all the information in the description box below.